Dotcode was designed for seeing the need for high-speed serialized printing of serialized marks. So where each item may have a different mark requirement, and you want to get the get those marks printed on a manufacturing line at a very high rate. So sometimes people say that Dotcode is a high-speed barcode, but what does this really mean? Well, speed is a relative concept. So if you ask equipment manufacturers whether they're fast, they'll say yes, but the real question that they'll ask is, well, fast at what? What is it you're asking on my equipment to do? And the key point is that printing equipment can be driven at different rates based on the use case. So many traditional 2D barcodes until this time have had very high fidelity printing requirements. So it's necessary to make sure that the modules that you're printing join up. So if you're printing in dots, it may be that you need 4 neighboring dots to really create a square module. It may be that there needs to be some overlap, and it may well be that in both the X and the Y dimensions, you need to really control the process. Of course, the stricter the requirements for the higher fidelity symbols, this leads to a restriction of the velocity of the production line, or at least it may require additional hardware or more lanes in order to parallelize the workload so that the parts of those lanes can go slower. So it's probably better to say that not Dotcode is a high-speed barcode, but Dotcode is a highly tolerant barcode. It's highly tolerant of the kind of printing defects that you introduce when you drive current technologies for printing marks towards their design limits. So Dotcode hopefully will enable you to run your lanes at higher speed if that is your requirement and reach into those higher speed domains.